What is up, guys? My name is Jerry, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a 160-degree thermostat, and I'm going to go ahead and place the housing just because mine's a little corroded on my 1998 C5 Corvette. And if you guys have not seen the Corvette, which I haven't really posted about it too much or anything, but I traded my Caliber for this Corvette. It's not a bad Corvette. I plan to either drift it or just make it fast. I have some parts coming in for it. A sticker. I've already swapped the seat out. In here, so I got aftermarket Cypher seat. Sadly, it's an automatic, but I plan to manual swap it. And let's get straight to the business. First thing you want to do if you guys are swapping anything out with coolant or anything like that, you're going to want to get right under the radiator on your passenger side and look for this bleed valve right here. Mine's got a twist on it and all the water will come out here, so you can go ahead and turn this thing. And all the water will just be leaking out, or coolant. If you have coolant coming out of yours, I'd recommend getting a pan, but mine's water and it's a hot summer day, so it's just gonna soak right up. While that's waiting, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Duralast thermostat from O'Reilly's. So inside of it comes the housing, and inside that is the little 160-degree thermostat. Guys, don't forget to replace your gaskets. They go right over here, and I'll show you guys after it's done dripping how to install it. So for this process, you guys are going to need a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver. So once we got the tools, you're just going to want to go ahead and undo this clamp right here. So once that clamp is undone, we're gonna pop it off of here and take this bolt and this bolt out right here. They're the only two bolts holding it in, so let me go ahead and get that off real fast. So once you guys got this back installed, you guys are gonna go down back under the car just to close that vent. Once you guys have done that, you guys can fill your coolant reservoir with water. There you guys go. You guys successfully replaced your thermostat and thermostat housing. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and leave a comment down below. You guys have a good day.